Well, I have no words. Where do I go from here? Do I continue making Discord content? I cannot believe that in less than 1 year, I went from 0 to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube for posting Discord tutorials. I honestly never thought I'd get this far, and I don't know how I got this far. To be honest, even after I hit 500 subscribers, I did not think I would actually get to 1,000. Hitting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is like hitting the jackpot. It's like owning a Discord server with over 100,000 members. It's something that you never think would ever happen, especially on a new channel in an already saturated environment. Now, before I say thank you for this amazing achievement, I want to say thank you to you for finding my videos and my tutorials useful for helping you set up different Discord tasks and different Discord bots in your servers. I honestly never thought that this kind of genre would be able to produce content enough to actually gain from it. I actually started it just because I had a lot of knowledge, and I thought that I could just share the knowledge because I don't always use the knowledge, and I don't think it's useful if I just keep it in my head and not actually try and share it. As well as when I started YouTube, I knew that there was other Discord channels out there that made Discord tutorials, but when I was sort of diving into it at first, looking at the other channels that were doing the content, there was only few that actually had, I would say, detailed explanations on how to do certain things, on how to set up certain bots, or how to set up a Discord server. There was only a few videos like that, or in other words, few channels like that, and I wanted to make a new one, especially with someone with a non-AI voice talking, because I know there's a lot of Discord channels that have AI voices in their videos to do tutorials, and they also seem to cut out like 90% of the tutorial and shortening the tutorial to about a minute, which I know some people prefer and don't mind a minute tutorial on how to set up a bot, but I think a longer 20-minute video on really diving in on what the bot offers really shows what the bot can do and actually shows you how to set it up without you trying to figure it out on your own. Nonetheless though, because I've hit 1,000 subscribers, as I promised many months ago, and I've reiterated this over many other videos, as I am going to be giving away 3 months of Discord Nitro. In other words, I will be giving away 1 month of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners, so you'll have ×3 of the chance to win at least a month of Discord Nitro, and all you have to do to enter is go and join my server, which will be in the link in the description below. You'll go into the giveaways channel in my server, and you will see in the giveaways channel there'll be a thank you 1000, and there'll be a giveaway bot message here, and all you have to do is click this reaction and you are entered into the giveaway for a month of Discord Nitro. Once again, there are 3 different winners, and this giveaway will last for 14 days until February 24th, which is exactly 14 days from today of me posting this video. But anyways guys, now is the time where I say thank you for 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, on my channel, Accede Productions, or in other words, my Discord tutorial YouTube channel, or just my only channel that I have. And of course, I'll be continuing to post Discord content, and I have no plans to halt or stop uploading Discord content. Now this video is a very special video to me, so I want everyone that gets this far in the video and hears me talking right now to leave a comment of their favorite tutorial on my YouTube channel. As well as, please leave comments on this video of different tutorials you'd like to see, and please share this video with your friends, as of course the giveaway, it would be nice to get as many people into this giveaway as humanly possible, as well as to subscribe to my channel if you'd like. It would be nice to get this video a little bit out there just because of how big of a milestone this is. Now of course I could edit this video down as much as I want or make it a super short video, but I wanted to make this a little bit longer just so you could, you know, hear me, hear what I have to say, and so it's not just a simple thank you and that's it, because I want to keep it as real as possible, and of course, you know, keep you guys coming to my tutorials because I do put a lot of effort into making sure that everything is explained as best as I can explain it, so then you can understand on how to do whatever it is you're doing. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Please keep watching my tutorials, and please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.